the human rights violations taking place today, we all know it's happening. So let us not close our eyes. Let us not bury our heads under the sand. Let us face the reality. It is our responsibility to uphold the Constitution and protect the fundamental rights. We can't just shut our eyes. It is happening. Let us not pretend that nothing is happening.
So, Mr. President, let's move with the Zoom photo now.
Sorry, I just want to support what Athar Saab is saying with one important rider. If it is happening, it has not been mentioned in the letter. It has the events of a year before. And I will take great exception, because I will not tolerate this. If anything has happened on my watch, please bring it to my notice and see what will happen then. So nothing has been brought on my, it may be happening which nobody is disclosing, that's another thing. For that I cannot be held responsible or accountable. And I place myself for accountability. If there is an interference, then I'm accountable, provided it is brought to my attention. If things happened in my predecessor's time or even earlier, I'm not in any manner responsible. I mean, I think that we should be clear about, but still we have taken it seriously, that past events should also be, and if this timeline can go beyond, and probably for this reason, probably Jilani Saab had suggested I may be allowed to expand the letter. I don't know what was in his mind, but I presume that was what he was aiming at. Riyazat Saab hai Pakistan Bar Council ke ya nahi hai? Pakistan Bar Council ki taraf se koi hai?
Mr. Shahzad Shaukat sir, let's just